Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code, as it is the fastest way to check the numbers. So let me open the dialer, simply tap on the keypad and let me enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way of checking those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware, and as you can see, the serial number appears on the second position. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.